going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I'm not gonna make this long. Just want to quickly recap on the track day last weekend. It wasn't totally good. A lot of crashes. You know, actually I think 11 people crashed, which sucks because you never really want to have any crashes, because for one, it holds the other group, when you do crash on your session, it holds the other group back, that, you know, in terms of time. So we lost like a whole session on our group because we were waiting for those people to clean up the mess. So the first crash, make the shoe turn. So the first crash, it took about 9 people with it. So the first guy that crashed spilled oil at turn 2, 3, 4. So, and people behind him just rolled on that and crashed. So that crash event was 9 people. The second one is just 1, and then the third one was just 1. Yeah, very unfortunate stuff. Sometimes you know, you're having a good time and somebody in front of you spills oil everywhere. So you have no control about that. I guess if anything, let's talk about, I don't know, main takeaways. I mean, I always come to a track day with a plan. You know, I don't just go. You do pay for it, so you kind of want to make sure. I mean, for me anyway, you do pay for it, and I kind of treat it as a training session more than, as well as being fun, but as well, mainly I go into it like I want to learn something today. Yeah, I wanna progress today. Like when I go to the gym, what am I hitting today? You know, what am I aiming for today? That's kind of like my mindset when I go to track days. So that track day, I was focusing on. Well, I did put on the new rear sets on the V4R, so I kind of want to learn how to use it, and it does feel really good. So that's a good thing. It helped me really lock in to the tank. I feel more confident locking my legs in, attacking the turns. That rear set made a difference. So I put the rear sets up higher than stock. So it's a little bit uncomfortable on the street, but on the track it's perfect. So right now I'm on the street riding it around. It's pretty uncomfortable, but you know, yeah, trade-off. Yeah, so that's one. In terms of that, I'm successful, I feel. Body positioning just needs a little bit more work. I need to drop my shoulder a little bit more. I see myself a little bit stiff on the pictures. More than anything, I look at the pictures because that's how I grade myself. You know, I do look. It's not about. I mean, you do want to look good on the pictures too, but what comes with that is the proper body positioning. You know, you look good when you have proper body positioning, and that's kind of like one of those things that you don't really think about or talk about. You know, those people that have really good pictures with their knee down, you know, they got their body positioning right, and you see those other people that are really stiff, you know, using more lean angle, and they're just, you know, yeah, it's more lean angle, more wrist, proper body positioning, less lean angle, less wrist. You know, it's really up to you. Say my sister, when she did her first track day, she was really stiff. She wasn't hanging off or anything, and she was using a lot of lean angles. Her bike and her was like almost to the floor. It's like you're using so much, like you're using so little tire. It's just crazy. So I don't know, like that's a topic for a whole different video, body positioning. But I'm working on that. I'm still working on that incrementally. But since, like I said before in the previous video, I do change the bikes often. I hope I don't change bikes anymore, and I want to just learn on this one as we go, so I don't reset my learning curve. But because I feel, because my fundamentals are pretty good, I think nowadays, that my learning curve is not as long. You know, it doesn't take me as long to adapt to a new bike, because I apply the same fundamentals and it works. You know, that's why they call it fundamentals. You can apply it and it's the same. in any scenario. Yeah, so that's really all I want to say. I think not everybody focuses on fundamentals nowadays. They only look at the end goal, which is a faster lap time, looking good in the picture. But what happens between the lines, I feel, is a very important thing. Like, what happens between the lines are the fundamentals, like your mental training, the way you think about what you do on the motorcycle, and how to apply everything that you know. Yeah, that's the result. The result is the faster lap time and a safer ride, to be honest. I don't know, it's not as elegant to talk about. Everyone just wants to drag elbow, and drag knee and just do whatever it takes to do it. Really, it's faster corner speed. You can drag your knee really easy if you really want to. But not everybody really knows that. They just think about, oh, just lean the bike more. But you got to take it into account. You need also faster corner entry speed and faster corner speed in general to hold that line and then hang off. But yeah, a topic for a whole different video. Just want to touch base, I guess, after the track day. Next track day, I'm thinking about taking the Hyper for a change, going a little bit slow, and just enjoying the ride. I think I'll see if I can go to another track day. I've been pretty busy now, and trying to fit in all these track days. But life is like that, you just never know. Alright, you guys, hopefully that was informative, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.